Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Firefox Developer Tools with F12 or Control-Shift-I. This attaches the inspector to the current tab so you can interact live. Once opened, choose a dock position that fits your workflow and enable persistent logs and disable cache to avoid stale results. Make sure to select the correct context if you have multiple frames. This immediate setup saves time and ensures the subsequent DOM, network, and console operations reflect real behavior rather than cached artifacts. Next, inspect elements and make live edits. Click an element, modify HTML or CSS, and observe layout updates in real time so you understand immediate impact. Once done, open the console to run commands, check errors, or call functions, then set breakpoints in the debugger to step through JavaScript and inspect scope variables. Meanwhile, watch the Network tab to correlate resource timing and status codes. This combination reveals why a style or script behaves differently in the running page. Finally, Profile Performance. Record a performance trace to analyze paint, layout, and scripting hotspots so you can prioritize fixes. After that, run accessibility checks and review storage to confirm area roles, cookies, and local storage are correct. These steps ensure your fix actually solves the user-facing issue. If things go wrong, make sure to hard reload with cache cleared, disable extensions, or revisit the console errors. One targeted retry often pinpoints the root cause and completes the debug cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.